Hello and welcome back for another XRP price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the XRP chart and also give you my next price targets, give you reasons as to why I believe that XRP could see a break above the $1 mark very soon and possibly also get above the $3 mark on the long term. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video by first giving you my long-term outlook here on the daily chart, where you can see that after seeing our July lows 2020, we saw this massive bounce to the upside, giving us a high at around the $1.96421 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where we have been breaking down in this ABC corrective structure, and there are high chances that now XRP has a low in place for the second wave and soon could start gearing up in the formation of this wave 3 and giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $3.2535 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And that's the first reason as to why I'm saying there are chances that XRP soon could see a break above the $3 mark on the long term. And also given that we had some very positive news, that is the partial win that XRP is not a security. You can see that we had this massive surge here on the XRP chart in a breakout move that gave us a high at around the $0.9582 mark. And afterwards, we have been seeing a bit of a corrective structure, correcting all those gains that we had after being given those positive news about XRP. And if I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and to give you what we can expect on the short term, you can see that here on the 4-hour chart, if I zoom in, you can see that after seeing our January 2, 2023 lows, we have been obeying the Elliot wave structures, gearing up to the upper side, where we have now peaked in the formation of this wave 1, seen a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. Then after seeing the formation of the second wave, we saw the massive pump in the formation of this wave 3, which also came a time when we had that massive news about the partial win that XRP is not a security, and we peaked in the formation of that wave 3, also fully maximizing minimum target areas that I came up with by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.87061 mark, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And I believe that the breakdown that we are seeing at the moment, maybe people are taking their profits, is now the formation of this wave 4 to the lower side. And I also have a minimum target area for the fourth wave, which I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, giving me minimum target areas for the third wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618. And that is between the $0.74665 mark and the $0.61794 mark, a target area within which we have managed to get into. And there are chances that the low may be in for the fourth wave, and soon we could start seeing a reaction of that target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 5. And if I give you minimum target areas for the fifth wave to the upper side, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the wave 3, I get a minimum target area for the wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $1.12694 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect the wave 5 to the upper side to do. So on the next pump here on the XRP chart, I believe that we are going to get above the $1 mark in the formation of that wave 5 and also fully maximize minimum target areas. Alternatively, in case we continue seeing further weakness here on the charts and maybe we lose this yellow target area that I have on the charts, which is the minimum breakdown target for the fourth wave, and we continue heading further down, then that would be suggesting a more bearish scenario here on the charts before we can start gearing up impulsively once more. So that is what we need to have in mind here on the XRP chart, and those are my short-term target areas and also my long-term target areas. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 62 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting further breakdown, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.